guys, this is Brooke from the Chattanooga Public Library, and I'm inviting you to come along on a construction site visit with me.
Okay.
Here we go, climb aboard for the ride. I'm standing on the platform next to the driver's side door of this dump truck so that we can watch the Excavator 325 pick up the dirt and put it in the dump truck so that we can take it to the other side of the site and dump it. Driving back to the dump site. Here we go. We're coming up on it right now, and you can see a couple of the other construction vehicles up ahead waiting to receive the dump truck. And here goes the dump truck getting ready to dump the dirt on the ground while the D5K bulldozer gets ready to smooth the dirt out as it comes out of the dump truck. Let's watch. Bulldozer has flattened out the dirt, the CP53E roller comes along and compacts it to make the surface ready for building. Sometimes they have to use a chainsaw to cut up the trees that have been taken down on the construction site so that they can have room to build. Then the small excavator, the 308, picks up that brush that has been taken apart by the chainsaw and gets ready to carry it off the site. I'd like to give a special thanks to Kelly McDaniel Brown at McDaniel & Son Construction for letting us visit. Thank you.